Look out into the night sky, and the overwhelming reality is silence. For all our looking and listening, we still face the quiet anxiety that we might be entirely alone in the universe. If there is someone else out there, it creates a massive logistical problem. How do you introduce yourself to a species that doesn't speak your language, doesn't share your biology, and might not even understand the universe the same way you do? In 1977, NASA launched the Voyager 1 spacecraft to explore the outer planets of our solar system, but it also carried a secondary objective designed specifically to bridge that cosmic gap. Today, that probe is more than 24 billion kilometers away from Earth, hurtling through the dark at over 60,000 kilometers per hour. And bolted to its exterior is a 12-inch gold-plated copper phonograph record. Rather than transmitting a fleeting radio signal into the void, NASA sent an object that must be physically encountered and deciphered. To understand our existence, an alien finder has to manually reconstruct the data we left behind. This is the protective cover of the golden record. It acts as an instruction manual for the extraterrestrials who intercept it. On the bottom left, this radial starburst diagram is a map. The lines plot the position of our sun relative to 14 pulsars, which are rapidly spinning, highly radioactive stars. It serves as a cosmic return address. At the top and right, these diagrams display the record itself alongside an included stylus. The visual equations explain how to physically place the needle and the precise speed required to rotate the disk to extract the data. There is a severe irony to this design. The vast majority of human beings looking at these diagrams would have no idea how to operate the machine. The instructions require high deductive reasoning. Any alien species capable of reading our message must already possess advanced scientific literacy. If they successfully play the record, they will hear spoken greetings in 55 human languages, along with a curated playlist of Earth's natural sounds and music. But audio was only half the equation. NASA wanted to include pictures. The engineering hurdle was that Voyager's onboard computers possessed only 69 kilobytes of memory, a tiny fraction of a megabyte, making it impossible to store standard digital photographs. To get around this, scientists projected 115 analog photographs through a television camera and then converted those video signals directly into audio waveforms. The aliens will have to realize that the strange screeching sounds buried in the audio track contain data, and then build a machine to translate those waves back into a visual display. This extreme data compression bypassed 1970s hardware limits, smuggling a massive visual encyclopedia of our species into the cosmos on a single analog track. Once the images are decoded, the initial sequence presents basic mathematical definitions, chemical formulas, and the structure of DNA. We establish a baseline of shared biology and physics. From there, the archive moves to culture. It shows human anatomy, the acts of eating and drinking, and our architectural capabilities. We included majestic structures like the Taj Mahal to showcase the scale and beauty of what our species can construct. But if you review all 115 photographs, you will find 0 images of war, poverty, nuclear conflict, or human cruelty. NASA specifically curated this archive to project our most hopeful traits, choosing to offer the universe an idealized reflection of humanity. In 2012, Voyager 1 officially crossed the heliopause, leaving the solar winds behind and entering true interstellar space. The probe is slowly dying. Its radioactive plutonium power supply is decaying, and NASA has already shut down its cameras to conserve energy. By 2025, that power supply is expected to be completely depleted. Voyager will sever its connection to Earth and fall permanently silent. While the machine itself will stop functioning, the golden record is built to survive in the vacuum of space for billions of years without degrading. Even if it is never intercepted, the record remains a monument to our existence. It proves that in a cold, silent universe, there was a species capable of art, science, and the desperate desire to say hello.